Could there be a truly engaging and mess-free way for young children to explore the joys of baking and creative expression? Cake Cooking Games for Kids 2 Plus offers an enchanting digital kitchen experience, thoughtfully designed to introduce toddlers and preschoolers to the exciting world of dessert creation without any actual cleanup. This application masterfully guides little ones through the process of mixing ingredients, baking virtual treats, and decorating their culinary masterpieces with a vast array of colorful toppings and designs. The visual presentation is wonderfully bright and inviting, ensuring a user interface that is delightfully simple for tiny hands to navigate with ease. Expanding the variety of baked goods beyond just cakes might further enhance its long-term appeal for eager young chefs. Ultimately, Cake Cooking Games for Kids 2 Plus provides an excellent platform for fostering fine motor skills and creativity in a playful setting. However, it is always recommended for parents to supervise screen time and encourage a balance with real-world activities for comprehensive development. This delightful app could offer hours of imaginative fun for little ones.